In this video, I'll be talking about how to create an effective resume or CV for job applications worldwide. Let's start with the basics. A resume is a brief overview of your experience, skills, and education, usually on one page. A CV is a more detailed document that includes your entire career and academic achievements. But what if you have little or no work experience, or, on the contrary, too much irrelevant experience? A resume without experience should focus on your educational achievements and skills developed outside of the workplace. You can also create a combined resume that combines elements of chronological and functional resume, highlighting your skills while showing your work experience. Yes, there are other types of resumes, chronological and functional, but we focus on the combined resume, which is suitable for everyone, especially for those who cannot boast of extensive work experience, or, on the contrary, do not know how to structure all their diverse experience. A combined resume begins with a section on your skills and accomplishments to grab the employer's attention immediately, and then moves on to work experience and education in chronological order. In the skills section, highlight the skills that are most relevant to the desired position. For example, if you are looking for a job in testing, indicate your ability to plan testing, understanding of methodologies such as Agile and Waterfall, basic knowledge of test automation or tools such as Jira, and analytical skills for identifying and tracking defects. Even if you don't have direct experience, think about transferable skills acquired in other areas. Use specific examples to demonstrate how these skills have been applied in practice. Be sure to include courses and trainings you have taken in your resume. You can also emphasize your willingness to learn and quickly master new skills. In the work experience and education sections, list all the places you have worked, including internships and volunteer positions. Describe your accomplishments and responsibilities, showing how they relate to the desired position. List your educational institutions and degrees. Now let's talk about a CV without job experience. This document should focus on your education and skills acquired outside of the workplace. Start with the education section, list all your academic achievements, then move on to the skills and hobby section. Don't forget to mention any projects or research you have been involved in. Especially for you, my dear job seeker, I have created templates for both types of resumes, which you can find by following the link in the materials on the website. Like this, step by step, you can adapt your resume, which will not only show you in the best light, but also help you stand out from the competition. Before we finish this topic, let's touch on one more important aspect: the design of your resume. Recruiters review hundreds of documents every day, and your task is to make your resume stand out, but at the same time be easy and pleasant to read. Choose a clean and simple design. Use easy-to-read fonts and leave enough white space. Avoid overuse of bold, italics, or underlining. It is also important to properly structure the information, highlighting the main sections and headings. Remember, your resume is your marketing tool, and it should be as effective as possible. Take the time to choose the right template and make sure your document looks professional and is easy to read. This will increase your chances of the recruiter noticing you and inviting you for an interview. The main thing is honesty and openness. Employers value candidates who can honestly assess their skills and are willing to learn new things. Try to create both types of resumes, a combination resume and a CV without experience for the position you're interested in, using the materials at notlikeathome.com. Good luck!